Hey my friends, today I'm gonna remake the drop of HARDWELL's song We Are One, which is one of my favorite progressive house tracks out there. I love the emotional melody and the powerful drums. Let's get right into it. First I layered 2 plucks which you can hear in the breaks of the song, but HARDWELL also used them in the background of the drop. By the way, these plucks and all other synth presets I'm using in this video are from my brand new Progressive House bundle, but more info on that later. Let's check out the leads. Nice. I sent the plucks and the leads to channel 1. Here I boosted the highs and lowered the 300Hz a little. Then OTT to compress them. Another compressor because I felt like they were too jumpy compared to the original track. Then we got transpire for more punch, sausage fitner, more EQing, a filter for automation, reverb and sidechain. After the leads I made the bass line. This is a sub bass. Here I only added sidechain. Let's check out the mid bass. I added a low cut to make room for the sub, the vintage chorus to add more width, fresh air for more brightness, an EQ to boost the highs, and sidechain. These are the chords. Here we also have a low and high cut. Then I cleaned up the low mid area to make them less muddy. A filter for automation, and sidechain. At the end of the drop HARDWELL added some type of outro section where he added an ARP that sounds something like this. On these two we have a low and high cut, an EQ to boost the highs a lot, some reverb, delay, transpire for more punch, another EQ, and sidechain. Alright, now let's check out the drums. For these I used my Galaxy, the Lion 2.0 and my Orbit sample pack. This is the kick. At the end of the first, third, fifth and seventh bar HARDWELL replaced the kick with a big snare. In the second half I added a few claps and hats for more movement. Then we have an ambience loop, some downlifters and noise sweeps, as well as some uplifters, a drum fill, a snare roll and an impact at the end. Here are all drums together. Sick. Guys, I made this whole remake using my brand new Progressive House Serum Essentials bundle. This bundle contains 400 high quality serum presets. It has everything you need for emotional progressive house, such as leads, sub basses, mid basses, plucks, pads, ups and more. You can still get 50% off on, so you better hurry up before the discount expires. Link in description. But now let's check out the final result. Guys, thank you for watching. I love you.